Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Alec Benjamin here. I sent my therapist to therapy. Why not? So, great song here. We have this melody. I'm gonna give you that, but also the strumming here for the chords. So let's dive into this one. We have the capo set here on the first fret. So with that, we have what I believe the best chords here, easiest chord for this song. So let's start with capo 1 first, and let's go over the chords. So first we have the A minor. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Then we have the A G chord or so. That is with the G sharp note in the bass. What I do here when I play the strumming is to play a bar here on the second fret, and yeah, you just bar there, and then you add the 4th fret on E string and 4th on G, and you try to stay on these bass strings here, the E, A, D, and G string when you make the strumming here. All right. What we're interested in here is the bass here going from A, open A, to this 4th on E. All right, so that is what we're aiming for. So stay with the bass strings here. The next chord will be the G. So that is third E, second A, and then open D, open G, open B, and third E. The next chord will be the D, but with an F sharp in the bass. So again, we are searching for the bass here. Open A, G sharp, the G will play, then now we have the D, F chord here. D with an F sharp in the bass. So that is second on E. Then I usually mute the next. You can have that open, but also muted with the finger you're using there on the second E. And then open D, second G, third B, and open E. Then we play the F chord here. That's a bar chord. You place the bar on the first fret over all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We also have the A minor, but with an E in the bass. Again, we're searching for the bass notes here. So that will be open E, open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. So it's the same grip as the A minor. We just add the open E string here. So there we have the chords needed for a song. So we can play the notes here, and we're gonna do that chord by chord. Starting off with A minor, hold the chord as it is. You're gonna play this. So that is open A together with first B, then second D, second G, and then you add the third B. Then we'll go to the next chord. It is the A G chord. For this, when we're playing just the notes, the melody, we don't have to hold the full chord that I showed you. We're going to use that for the strumming later. But for just this melody, you're going to play this. So you play the 4th on E string together with open B, then second D, and open G. Next chord is the G chord. You're gonna play. So that is 3rd on E string together with open B, then open D, open G, and then first B added. Then we have the next chord, the D F chord. You're gonna play this part. So that is 2nd on E string together with second G, then open D, and back to second G. The F chord coming here is the next chord. We're gonna play this part. So that is 1st on E string together with third B, then open D, then third D, open D and then third D, and then open E. And then we have the next chord here. It's the A minor with the E in the bass. Goes like this. So that is open E string together with first B, then second D, second G, and then again open E and first B together. And then we have just a plain E chord. Perhaps I forgot to mention that chord. We'll go through that right now. If I'm not mistaken, I didn't go through that chord. So that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And for this melody here, you're just gonna play the open E string together with open B. And then you finish off with A minor, which is the open A together with the second G. So there you have the melody. Okay guys, I'm gonna take you through this very slowly so you understand what's going on here. So let's go from the beginning till the very end. Alright, so that's the melody. Now let's take a look at the strumming. So go back to the A minor since we have that as a starting point. Then one strumming round will be down, down, clap, down. Okay, and we're gonna divide this into two different parts. Very easy. So the part one is what we're gonna use later, is the first two down. So down, down. All right, we're gonna use that later. But one round is down, down, clap, down. Like that. All right. So you're gonna play the same chords here as we learned when we play through the melody here. So A minor, then the A, G. Now you need to hold the chord as it is for strumming. Then comes the G, the D, F, the F chord, the A minor / E chord. We can stop there. All these chords, we're gonna have one strumming round per chord. So starting off with A minor, then A, G, then G, then D, F, then F, then the A minor E. And now comes again the A minor E. You're gonna play part one here. So down, down. Then you switch to E and play part one there as well. Down, down. And then you finish off with the plain A minor, one full strumming round, down, down, clap, down. So the ending here was A minor E, part one, E, part one, and A minor, one full round. So slowly, from the beginning till the very end, we'll play like this. Alright guys, so that pretty much covers Alec Benjamin's I Sent My Therapist to Therapy. Yeah, everybody needs some therapy sometimes, so I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please let me know here, support me on this channel, and until next time, play tuned.